there's a giant storm hitting the islands. It's called a Kona low, a low-pressure weather system where winds shift directions and you get 1,000 times more wetness and moisture than a regular storm. Okay. I sat and watched the storm and the rain unfold. It poured and poured for hours. And then suddenly, a break in the rain. I jumped in the car, air heavy with mega humidity, and drove up to the northwest part of the island again, towards the olivine pools. The roads were full of fallen rocks and boulders, and there was just mud everywhere. I really do not care. I have a tide pool that I need to get inside of right away. The olivine pools in northwest Maui are named for the electric green mineral made up of magnesium iron silicate, or peridot when it's used as a gemstone. Scientists use olivine crystals to determine how long magma sat underground before erupting. So where is the olivine? I don't know. Maybe it's hidden in these rocks somewhere. What I do see are these beautiful copper and bronze crystals, also called pyroxene or agate. They have a metallic luster. Some people go to Maui and say, everything is purple. I think what they're referring to is this weathered basalt, plum purple rocks that are made of manganese and titanium. I see intense ribbons of deep orange and red snaking through these cliffs. This is iron oxide, basalt, rust, reacting to the sea spray. it's now a low tide, this entire area has been filled with mud and silt. The area I swam before is a series of shallow mud pools. But the main pool that eluded me the first time is just so obvious. On a normal day, when it hasn't been storming, this pool is crystal clear with hues of green. Today it's a bit murky and dark, but I'm still so happy to be here. Wow, gorgeous red layers of rock between black rock are called palaeosols, fossilized soil. Like we have a water feature on right now. Oh my god, we could go underwater. Freaking wet. It's wet. It's wet. What are you doing out here? Maui holds so much natural beauty. 2 to 4 days is just not enough to appreciate it all. As I ride out this crazy storm, my mind and heart are really back on that coastline, flying out beyond the cliffs, the crystals twinkling and flashing as the sun hits them just so. Those inviting green pools out on the water, waiting for me to find them again someday.